The most typical way of accommodating movement in a window or unitized window wall assembly is to incorporate a head receptor component. And so we're looking at a typical detail here that's shown in the neutral position in the center, and then your minimum and maximum movement accommodation or criteria that may exist within the rough opening. So in this condition, we have a head receptor component that is hard fastened to that steel member. And as soon as you align and install your 3 caulk joints, that component is fixed. So when you install the window below, any live load deflection you have coming from the floor above, the window is in essence gonna act like a slot, and you're gonna have a slotted connection within that C or U-shaped channel. Another way of thinking about it is you have clearance where when the slab deflects, the window moves up and you have maximum engagement. And then on the contrary, you have minimum engagement within that head receptor component. But in order for the window to structurally work over time, it always has to maintain a minimum dimension of clearance within that track. Now, if you talk about system and installation tolerances, that's when you might get into a condition where you're gonna have to accommodate with either shimming or an expanded or retracted caulk joint size. And that's where you can see some of that plus and minus dimension incorporated within the caulk joint. But primary for live load deflection, a hard fixed head receptor component to accommodate that slip movement is the most common methodology.